everyone, it's Christina from Our Rich Journey. We recently had an incredible 365 Days to FIRE program meetup in Lisbon. In today's video, we want to share with you what the meetup looked like. We would also love for you to join us next year. Enrollment for the program is now open, and you can learn more at 365daystofire.com. We'll also leave a link in the description below.
Wanted to open this up for anyone that had questions. We'll do a couple questions, and then after that, we also wanted to open it up to have people come up and speak about any of their big wins that we should all be celebrating with you all as a group. That will be a chance to come up and speak about that too. So we'll start off with the Q&A session.
I love that question because approaching investing requires a plan, right? Setting that criteria is a part of that plan making. So when you establish your criteria, it should be based off of things that are important to you, things that you are looking for in a company that are sound. If you are interested in a company that is growth focused, if you're interested in a company that is a company that it has stability and is going to give you dividends, or are you interested in a company that it goes counter to maybe some other aspects of your portfolio? So it depends on the criteria that you set. And so when we're looking at individual stocks, for example, we are expecting that stock to be able to outperform the total stock market. That's the only reason why we invest in individual stocks, because we feel like this company has that potential. You know, we look at their earnings reports, we look at the people that are managing the company, we look at their ethical behavior, and we make a decision based off of that. The thing about investing is you gain more confidence with investing the more you understand the history of investing. And so we should all be students of the history of the stock market, and you look at it and you see, like, through all the chaos and different characters in office, the stock market is very resilient and it comes back. Wins. Can we get a testimonial?
And I brought my nephew because I'm so proud of him. I'm not going to talk about myself. I'm so proud of him because when he was 18, we opened an E-Trade account for him. And he's been investing ever since. He's 27 now. His plan is to FIRE when he's about 35, 37, maybe before 40. And he is on his way. I'm just so proud of him because he's going to be on top of it. And I just wanted to put that out there. Thank you.
Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Wow. Whew. I'm not going to cry this year, I promise.
Want to join us in 2026? Enrollment for our 365 Days to FIRE program is now open. Learn more at 365daystofire.com. We'll also leave a link in the description below.